Creating a lower third in Premiere can be done in a few simple steps. To begin, notice I have my interview up. My playhead is placed at the beginning of this clip because I'm going to use this as kind of some placement guides for my lower thirds. So once my playhead is in place, I'm going to go to File, New, and Title. And I'm going to name this my interviewee's name. And this is my dialog box for creating my lower thirds. Few little tips on navigation. This outer box is your safe action area. The inner box is your safe title area. So while we will be putting our graphics into the action area, and in fact outside of it, we will keep our text inside the safe title box. So let's get started, and we're going to start with creating our background shape. So any of these tools can be used to create your background for your lower thirds. So we're going to start with just the simple rectangle tool, and I'm going to draw my shape. Over here in my properties, I can begin to change the color. Let's make that a reddish, make that a little brighter color. And we can change the opacity, bring that down. If you would like to add more than one shape or frame to this, you certainly can. So let's use this ellipse, and if we want to make that ellipse into a perfect circle, we're going to hold our shift key down while we draw. And then if I want to add some contrast, I can change the contrast on that. Again, use my selection tool, start to move things around. Okay, so let's say I'm satisfied with that as my graphic. Let's go ahead and type our title. I'm going to grab my type tool, create my type box, and this is Aaron Adams. We are going to, since that's a pretty long title, we're going to do that in 2 lines. I've went ahead and selected my text, and again over here I can change my color. So let's make that black. See how we like that. Let's try white. See if I like that. That's pretty nice. We also have title styles we can apply, which are quick little one applications. So if you click through, you can see some of the options. I actually kind of like that one. So let's go ahead and leave that. Already comes with a drop shadow. Again, over here is where we make those changes. So if we want to change any of that, we can. I do think I might like to make a little change to bold italic on her title, just to have a little variety. If I wanted to change other things, say for example I didn't want to have a shadow on the title, I could make that change over in the properties. When I'm satisfied with my lower thirds, I don't need to save. I just simply close it out, and it's going to appear down here in my project bin. At that point I can take my title thirds, drag it on top of my image, and just like I would with anything, I can edit it so I can change how long that will appear on screen. If I would like to make changes to that title, double click it. That same project box comes up, and you can make other changes as needed. So that is creating a lower thirds title quickly in Premiere Pro.